Understanding DUI and DWI laws, sobriety checkpoints, and DUI/DWI, Part 2. In New York, all instances of drug and alcohol-impaired driving are referred to as DWIs. However, a DWI implies a serious instance of drunkenness. Typically, the motorist in question would have a blood alcohol content, BAC, that was above the legal limit or show severe indicators of impairment. When a driver is only slightly affected by alcohol or drugs, the less serious charge of DWAI, driving while ability impaired, may be used. This would typically only be a choice if the driver's blood alcohol content, BAC, was below the legal limit and no illegal substance tests had come back positive. Drivers under the age of 21 who have BAC levels of 0.02% or greater in New York will be prosecuted with DWI. In Utah, a BAC of 0.05% is considered permissible. DUI charges will be brought against any adult motorist who is found operating a vehicle while intoxicated or under the influence of drugs or alcohol, or both. In this state, the phrase DWI is not frequently used. According to Utah law, if a person is physically incapable of operating a vehicle safely and has any level of drugs or alcohol in their system, they are considered to be under the influence. This concept would allow someone who is visibly impaired to be charged with DUI while also using lawful, non-prescription medicines including caffeine, cold medications, and nicotine. Driving while intoxicated, or DWI, is a less serious crime in Maryland than driving under the influence, or DUI. If someone is driving erratically or fails a sobriety test while showing signs of intoxication, but they pass a breathalyzer test with a reading slightly below the legal limit of 0.08%, they may be charged with DWI. DUI refers to instances of driving while intoxicated when the BAC is 0.08% or above. Knowing DUI regulations. You must be familiar with your state's DUI rules, and how they are applied, as a novice driver. Whenever you visit a new state, be careful to double-check this information. The definition of alcohol and drug impairment can differ significantly from state to state, as you can see from the examples above. And the punishments imposed for DUI and DWI in various states also vary significantly.